Welcome to Yantra Technologies. This is the project based on RFID, and the title of the project is RFID based elevator control system. Let's understand the working of the project. Here this LED is representing a relay which controls the door of a lift or an elevator. So here the LED will glow whenever a person is given an access, whenever there is a valid ID card. We have got lots of RFID tags which are having indexes printed on them. Let me show you this. So numbers are given A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So about 12 cards are there. Out of 12 cards, we are assuming 2 cards as invalid cards. In this case, the cards D and E are chosen as invalid, whereas the rest of the cards from A till L are valid cards. So whenever a user prompts by placing a card here in front of the RFID reader, it first detects and it gives you a countdown of the preset selector. What is this preset selector? How it works? See, whenever you start the project, it will give you the title of this. Here there is a jumper. The PCB board for this circuit is also available. Just it's for prototyping purpose. If you want, you can get the printed circuit board also. So this is the jumper which gives access. There are 5 different possibilities, 5 different, out of which the first one is 10-second delay, next one is 20-second, next one is 30, 40 and 50. So 5 different delays are available here. So you can see the moment when I remove this, it is asking me to put the jumper. And here on Arduino, the pins A1 to A5 are chosen as for jumpers. So when I place this ground wire, they are actually pulled up. So when I place this ground wire here, it gives me, in the A1 pin, it gives me 10 seconds delay. When I place it here, let me show you. Now I have placed it in A1 pin. So just a minute. When I place it properly and tightly, it is not giving me a warning. Now it is set for 10 seconds. So if at all there is a valid card detected over here, this LED will start glowing for the preset time. In this case, the preset time is 10 seconds. So let's try with one card. So I'm trying to place the valid card A. So whenever I place the valid card A, you can see the LED is glowing and it has started counting down. So the LED will glow exactly for 10 seconds, you can see, and then it will go off. So a 10-second delay will be obtained for LED with a valid card, and when I place it once again, it is giving me the same delay and simultaneously it is counting down. Also it's indicating what is the tag, and exactly after 10 seconds the LED will go off. This is for 10 seconds, and let me show what happens when I select an invalid card. I chose D and E as my invalid cards. So this is my E card. So let us see what happens when I place it here. Let me show once again. When I am placing the card E here, see, it's giving me invalid tag. The moment when I remove, it comes to the standby mode. Similarly, if I place the D card, I chose A, D, but it's not necessarily that. You can choose according to your requirement. So this is the D card, which is also invalid. Let me place it here. It is also showing the tag. This is invalid tag. Okay. Now when I choose any other, let us say I am choosing L, a different card L. Let me take it out. Sorry. Okay. So when I have taken the L card and place it here, once again the same 10-second delay will count. Now if at all you want to put anything else, I am putting once again L, no response. So whenever one card is active, even if you place it, let me show L, it has started counting. Even if I place the card D or A, it has no change. I mean, once it is working under certain card, then even if you place something else, it won't show anything. Whereas after the timeout, it will start detecting the new cards. This is about the elevator system. You can give access to the elevators according to your requirement, whether it is for 10 second, 20 second. I have shown you so far 10 seconds. Now I'll try to show you the 20 seconds. So I'm placing the jumper not in this one. Now I'm moving it to the next hole, which is A2. So when I place in A2, now it is once again, if I place the D card, it shows me invalid tag. Whenever I place a valid card like A, now I am placing A. So when I am placing A, you can see the countdown. Now it is 20 seconds and the detected tag is A. So detected tag A and countdown is 20. Now it is 11, 10, etc. counting down, and also relay is on. LED is on means relay is on. Right. Now after 20 seconds, once again it goes back. You can check once again by placing this A. It goes back to the counting state, and even if you place the A once again, it is not changing. See, whenever I am placing it, it's not at all recognizing the card. So once after completion of the tag only, it comes back. Just like that, you can have 30 seconds, 40 seconds and 50 seconds with the jumper placed in the A3, A4 and A5. If you want the project, please contact me. Thank you.